Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 460 horsepower engine for our customer's 1937 Ford Street Rod. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a brand new dart block. We have the double roller timing chain in there, Compcams roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. We have the engine block painted black with the brass freeze plugs, correct oil pan on there. This is a one-piece rear main seal engine. We have the Taylor ignition wires on there, all the wire markers all set. It's real nice black 383 stroker valve covers. Roller rock arms fully adjusted. We have the black intake manifold, thermostat housing in the correct position for the upper radiator hose. We have the braided black PCV line on there, PCV valve. We have the Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, and bracket. It's a real nice 383 stroker air cleaner with the washable filter. MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important on that 1937 Ford Street Rod right there. We have the SFI automatic flex plate. This is a proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy and the customer's 700R Ford transmission. We have the high torque mini starter, GM dipstick tube and stick in black. We have the manifold vacuum fittings installed for any vacuum hookups, black braided fuel line on the carburetor, muscle car series fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line on there, braided fuel line, the Russell black gas filter, all the fittings on there. This is the proper serpentine pulley kit on here for the 1937 Ford Street Rod that has a V-style shaped front end on the car. So you have to run this tall, narrow serpentine pulley kit on there. This has the reverse rotation water pump on there, AC compressor, 140 amp one wire hookup alternator, GM Saginaw power steering pump, all in place. Every engine is live run and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with the timing light. We adjust the auto mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put the engine in, you know it's going to be 100% perfect. So you're ready to buy? Give us a call. 908-323-5847. You can text us at that number also, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family-owned and operated business here. So there you have it, our 383 stroker 460 horsepower engine with a brand new dart block, AFR heads, and roller cam. Thanks for watching.